I have a new kitten, and I bought her food. And the food, which I didn't know, says inside food and outside food. I said to the guy at the store, what's the difference? Is something going to happen to my cat if he's inside and he eats kitty food that says outside food? And he didn't have an answer for me. So what I did was I bought both. That was smart. But the cat doesn't go outside. The cat is inside cat. Kitty, come here, baby. I did a big mistake, guys. I fed her inside, and it says outside kitty food, and now she's acting up. Kitty, Kitty, show the camera how you're behaving. Come here, baby. Come here, show the camera what happens to you. You see, she just attacked the camera. Look, 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 look. This is what happens. Look, look. Come on. Coño. Qué mal esa gata. A ver, a ver. Ay. I'm so terrified. It's like Cujo. She's acting up. Look. Kitty, I didn't mean to feed you inside, and the food was said outside food. Look, 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 look. What are you doing, baby? Look at her paw. Her paw got bigger and bigger and bigger. ¡Qué mierda! Ay. He jodido mi gata. I have ruined my kitty.